Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing the Masterpiece Collectible MAN A22 This is the front of the box, the side, the top, the side, the bottom, and the back, which shows the deco for this bus. Let's unbox this bus now. This is the first look of the bus, the front of the bus, the side, the back, the side again, the top, and the bottom. So this is the front of the bus, which shows the display shows Harbor Fund 188 and the number plate is SMB 209B. The side of the bus, which displays the 188 route. The back of the bus, the side, the top of the bus, and the bottom of the bus. Thank you for watching this video and hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.